Are you dreaming of a trip to Los Angeles on a budget? Don't worry, sunshine and palm trees won't break the bank. Today, we're counting down the top 10 best budget hotels in Los Angeles. Forget cramped spaces, these hotels offer comfortable rooms for a fraction of the price. Want to cool off after a day of exploring? Many boast sparkling pools to relax in. And for some extra pampering, a few even have on-site spas to truly unwind. So let's find your ideal hotel and start planning. Number 10. Citizen Los Angeles Downtown Hotel. This elegant hotel places you just an 11-minute walk from the Museum of Contemporary Art and approximately 2 miles from the Crypto.com arena. Modern rooms, some offering picturesque city views, come equipped with Wi-Fi and smart TVs. Guests can enjoy an elegant bar and eatery, as well as a fully equipped gym. Additional amenities include a vibrant, art-filled lounge and 5 versatile meeting rooms. A breakfast buffet is also available to start your day off right. Google reviews show a 4.4 rating based on 645 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $157 per night. Number 9. The Hoxton Downtown Lay. This elegant hotel in the Fashion District is a 15-minute walk from Staples Center, 1 mile from I-10. Elegant and sophisticated rooms feature complimentary Wi-Fi, with upgraded rooms offering additional sitting areas. Room service is available. Complimentary amenities include loaner bikes. Guests can also enjoy an elegant restaurant with a bar, a rooftop pool, and optional breakfast and valet parking for a fee. Google reviews show a 4.3 rating based on 608 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $240 per night. Number 8. Sonesta Los Angeles Airport Lax. Located less than a mile from Los Angeles International Airport, this contemporary hotel is just 5 miles from Manhattan Beach and 9 miles from the iconic Santa Monica Pier. The modern rooms feature coffee makers, Wi-Fi, and 37-inch flat-screen TVs, along with desks and ergonomic chairs. Club rooms provide additional amenities like mini-fridges and access to a lounge offering complimentary continental breakfast. Room service is available upon request. Guests can take advantage of the hotel's airport shuttle service. On-site dining options include a casual restaurant bar, a sushi bar, and a cafe, with a breakfast buffet also offered. Additional amenities include a heated outdoor pool, an exercise room, and 15 meeting rooms. Parking is available for a fee. Google reviews show a 3.9 rating based on 4,949 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $167 per night. Number 7. Freehand Los Angeles. This elegant hotel is an 8-minute walk from the nearest metro station and just 1 mile from the Staples Center. This elegant hotel features funky mixed and female-only dorms that sleep up to 8 guests, each with ensuite bathrooms. All dorm rooms offer Wi-Fi, lockers, and bunk beds with privacy screens. Private rooms provide flat-screen TVs and sitting areas, while suites add separate living rooms. Room service is available. Guests can enjoy a complimentary continental breakfast. Additional on-site amenities include a modern American restaurant, an elegant cocktail bar, and a TV lounge. The hotel also boasts a rooftop pool and a lively rooftop bar. Coin-operated laundry facilities are available for guest use. Google reviews show a 4.1 rating based on 2,680 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $132 per night. Number 6. Kimpton Hotel Palomar Los Angeles Beverly Hills. Situated just a 7-minute walk from the renowned Hammer Museum, this upscale and elegant hotel is located 4.7 miles from the iconic Getty Center and 7.1 miles from the beautiful Santa Monica State Beach. The contemporary rooms feature a hip, colorful decor and include flat-screen TVs, work desks, and iPod docks. Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. The contemporary suites offer additional living space with panoramic views of Los Angeles. In-room spa services are available for a fee. Guests can dine at the vibrant on-site restaurant, which serves a seasonal menu and creative cocktails. The hotel also boasts an outdoor heated pool with a patio and fireplace. Other amenities include a fitness center, loaner bikes, event space, a business center, and complimentary evening wine receptions. The hotel welcomes pets. Google reviews show a 4.2 rating based on 1,204 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $341 per night. Number 5. The Biltmore Los Angeles. This elegant hotel is a 10-minute walk from the Walt Disney Concert Hall and Museum of Contemporary Art. This elegant hotel features refined rooms with plantation shutters, offering Wi-Fi for a fee, satellite TV, and marble bathrooms. Club rooms add canopy beds and provide access to a private club lounge with complimentary breakfast and snacks. Suites boast separate bedrooms and foyers. Room service is available. On-site amenities include a sophisticated cocktail bar, a full-service spa, and a health club with a Roman-style pool and hot tub. Guests can dine at the hotel's casual Italian and East Asian restaurants, as well as an opulent cafe serving afternoon tea. Google reviews show a 4.1 rating based on 6,089 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $233 per night. Number 4. Aventura Hotel. This modern hotel is 2 miles from Staples Center and 12 miles from Los Angeles International Airport. This modern hotel offers streamlined rooms equipped with free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, mini-fridges, and Nespresso machines. Upgraded suites add the convenience of kitchens, separate living rooms, and private balconies. Complimentary parking is provided for guests. On-site amenities include a fitness center, a peaceful courtyard, and a casual lounge area, allowing travelers to relax and unwind. Google reviews show a 4.2 rating based on 1,004 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $145 per night. Number 3. eCentral Downtown Los Angeles Hotel. This modern hotel is just a 2-minute walk from the renowned Grammy Museum. Airy, polished rooms feature pillow-top mattresses, free Wi-Fi, and rainfall showers. Suites add living rooms with sofas and soaking tubs. Enjoy the sleek on-site restaurant with outdoor seating, or indulge in spa treatments. The well-equipped fitness center caters to health-conscious guests. Google reviews show a 4.1 rating based on 1,398 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $236 per night. Number 2. Downtown Los Angeles Proper Hotel. This hotel is an 11-minute walk from Staples Center and the Grammy Museum, and 1 mile from I-10. This vintage elegant hotel in a grand 1920s building offers stylish rooms with free Wi-Fi, smart TVs, and Nespresso machines. Suites add living rooms, and one features an indoor pool. Guests can enjoy the rooftop terrace with an upscale restaurant and pool, plus a Mediterranean restaurant, cocktail bar, and 24-hour gym on site. Breakfast and parking are available. Google reviews show a 4.5 rating based on 382 reviews, featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $400 per night. Number 1. Courtyard Los Angeles Pasadena Monrovia. This straightforward hotel is situated 4 miles from the Irwindale Speedway and 7.3 miles from the renowned Huntington Library, art collections, and botanical gardens. This contemporary hotel offers well-appointed rooms with free Wi-Fi, desks, flat-screen TVs, mini-fridges, and coffee makers. Guests can enjoy the inviting living room-style lobby, California restaurant, business center, and 7 meeting rooms. Leisure amenities include an outdoor heated pool, hot tub, and exercise room. Complimentary on-site parking is provided for added convenience. Google reviews show a 4.2 rating based on 951 reviews featuring numerous positive comments from satisfied customers. You can book a room for as low as $115 per night. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow travelers, and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you are looking for some great hotel deals, make sure to check out the links in the description. They are the best hotel booking sites that we have personally tested and reviewed. They will save you time and money on your hotel reservations. Thank you for being part of our travel community, and I'll see you in the next video.